Setting up a help desk in SharePoint doesn't have to be complicated, expensive, or time-consuming. In this video, I will show you how to exactly build a fully functional native SharePoint HelpDesk ticketing system in under 15 minutes with all the essential features every helpdesk needs. And the best part, it runs entirely inside of Microsoft 365. Hi, I'm Borg from Plumsail. Today's topic, setting up a native SharePoint HelpDesk in under 15 minutes. Alright, let me show you how it's done. Plumsail HelpDesk runs natively on SharePoint, which means your tickets, users, permissions, and data all live inside your Microsoft 365 environment. Under the hood, HelpDesk creates a ticket list to store requests, supporting lists for comments, statuses, categories, and SLAs, a clean, modern interface for both users and agents. Because it's SharePoint-based, you can extend it with SharePoint views, Power Automate, permissions, custom forms, and much more. Now, let's set it up. Installation is quick and straightforward. From the Plumsail HelpDesk page, click Try It, then sign up with your email, download and run the setup file, the HelpDesk wizard. Once installed on your machine, open it and enter your SharePoint tenant URL. Click Next and sign in with your admin credentials. Select Install to create a new SharePoint site for HelpDesk. Next, choose your HelpDesk site name, then region. Quick note in here, the first time you install HelpDesk on a SharePoint tenant, you will be prompted to select a region. This determines where your data is processed. And currently we support the United States, Europe, and Australia, with more regions to come soon. Then select the interface language and privacy settings. If you select private, only site members will be able to access the HelpDesk. Other users in your tenant won't be able to see tickets created by others. Click Next and you will be prompted to grant access to the site. This is a permission request from Microsoft and includes two types of access. Access to the selected site and temporary access to all sites, which is required due to the current limitation of Microsoft API. And once setup is complete and the wizard closes, all full control access tokens are cleared from memory. There is an option to configure limited permissions manually as well. Click Next and Accept. This will start the HelpDesk installation process for your SharePoint tenant. And while the setup runs, here's what's happening behind the scene. The installer automatically creates a modern SharePoint site if you choose to install HelpDesk on a new site, then installs and registers the SPFX package in your tenant's app catalog, then adds the HelpDesk package to Microsoft Teams, and also deploys all required pages, lists, libraries, and forms. Subscribes to the changes in SharePoint lists, which is essential for triggers and automations, and finally adds sample ticket data to the new SharePoint HelpDesk site for you to explore. And also at the end of this video, we will check out the sample, very simple trigger just to give you a glimpse of the automation possibilities. And in just a few minutes, everything is ready. Click Open HelpDesk and your HelpDesk site opens inside of SharePoint. And after the HelpDesk is successfully installed, you can move to the next step, which is configuration. Let's do that. Next, let's connect email, the most common way support teams receive requests. Once you link a mailbox, every email sent to your connected email address instantly becomes a ticket with a unique ticket number. You have two options. Option 1 is to connect an Outlook mailbox or multiple mailboxes, HelpDesk directly integrates with the specified Outlook mailbox, converting all email messages into tickets. Or option 2 is to forward email messages. All messages forwarded from your existing support mailbox to a special auto-generated HelpDesk address will create tickets. I will choose to connect to an Outlook mailbox. Here's how. Go to Settings, click on Email, select Add Outlook Mailbox. A pop-up window will appear and enter the Outlook email address. Click on Grant Access and then sign in using the specified account. This authorizes HelpDesk to read and send emails, enabling a full two-way ticket conversation. From now on, every incoming email, including attachments and replays, automatically become a ticket. This step alone can eliminate dozens of manual tasks and forwarding rules. Now, let's define who handles incoming tickets. That's done in Contacts, your central directory for everyone involved in the support process, from requesters to agents. HelpDesk recognizes three types of contacts. Agents, those are SharePoint users that process tickets, then members, SharePoint users that create tickets within SharePoint, and the end users, users without a SharePoint account that create tickets by email. Members and end users are created automatically when they submit their first ticket. To add a new agent, open Contacts, click Add New Item, specify the mandatory fields in the form such as full name and SharePoint user, select the agent role, and click Save. And that's it. The new agent is now active and ready to jump into the queue. Remember, you can always go back and adjust their contact details or role later if needed. You can also promote existing members to agents at any time by editing their role. And just like that, we got another agent at our help desk. At this point, your help desk is already up and running. You now have a native SharePoint-based ticketing system, email to ticket conversion, and assign agents. And you're just getting started. From here, you can optionally add categories and priorities, customize ticket forms, set up SLAs and automations, and add different ways to collect tickets and much more. But even without these extras, your help desk is fully functional. Every email sent to the connected email address will create a new ticket with a unique ticket ID, and your agents will be able to work on those tickets. Next, let's add one powerful automation. In Plumsail HelpDesk, you can set up different triggers for automatic ticket assignments. We will use an event ticket assignment trigger for this demo, and just to show you how easily it can be accomplished. To evenly distribute tickets among your agents, go to Settings, open Triggers under Automation, select the preset ticket assignment trigger, rename it to Event Ticket Assignment, execute when ticket is created, add a condition that checks if the ticket is unassigned, drag it on top so the system checks this condition first, choose whether to assign tickets to all agents or selected agents as an action, activate the trigger and save. From now on, HelpDesk automatically assigns incoming tickets using a round-robin approach, as this kind of ticket distribution is known for. If an agent becomes inactive, the system reroutes tickets to available agents automatically, and you can also build more advanced assignment rules based on skills, keywords, workload, and much more. And that's it. You just set up a fully working native SharePoint HelpDesk ticketing system in under 15 minutes. No external tools, no complex integrations, just a clean, powerful help desk built on SharePoint. If you want to try it yourself, start a free 30-day trial of Plumsail HelpDesk with no credit card required. You will find the link in the description section. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more SharePoint and HelpDesk tutorials. See you in the next video.